Hey everyone, it's Aditya here. And first of all, I want to say that if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any updates. And also, very soon, I'm gonna start the machine learning bootcamp series on this channel. So please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any future updates. Let's move on to today's video. So in today's video, I'll show you a front-end web development content worth over $115, and I will also show you how you can get it for free, and it's a limited time deal guys, so please make it possible that you can follow the tutorial as soon as I upload it. Now before starting the procedure, I want to tell you what this package includes. This package includes 6 courses, and in these 6 courses you will learn from basic HTML to some intermediate HTML, and after that you will start with CSS, then you will learn about some advanced CSS, then you will have a look at JavaScript, then there's some DOM manipulation in the JavaScript, then after that you will have some web apps that you will create from JavaScript from scratch, and thereafter you will have some advanced JavaScript where you will create some front-end web development component using JavaScript. After learning from all these 6 courses, you will create a website from scratch, and you will also learn how to launch your website to the internet. So let's start the procedure guys. So guys, as you can see that I am on the website homepage, and this is the website, that is educative.io, and this is the website that I will show you how you can get free web developer course from here. We will just click here, become a developer, and there you can see that this website basically provides developer content of various languages and skill sets that you need, like Python, JavaScript, Java, CSS, data science, and also there are much more courses. So just open the data science course, and in the data science course you can see that they consist of 4 courses, and all these 4 courses are of $17, $23, and a free course also included in this package. So now I will show you the course in which today we are gonna enroll for free. So this is the course in which we are gonna enroll, become a front-end web developer, and you can see that it consists of 6 courses, and all these 6 courses are from intro to web development, then there is some HTML, CSS and JavaScript introduction, then you have some advanced CSS, then you will create some real world web app from JavaScript, and after that you will use JavaScript to build some front-end web components, and at last you will create a website and launch it from local machine to live internet. So all these 6 courses consist of around $117 cost. This is what this site says. Now you can also see here that this says $117 and buy the whole track. Now I will show you how you can get all these 6 courses for free. First of all, just click on the link that I have provided you in the description area, and as soon as you click on the link you will get to this page. This is the page guys which will provide you free courses. As you can see that our scholarship will give you free access to become a front-end web developer worth over $115, which I had already shown you. So now just click on claim scholarship, and after you click on claim scholarship you have to log in into your account. If you don't have, then just click sign up, and if you already have, then just log in into your account. So after login you can see that this is my account and this is my name, Aditya Singh. After login you just need to click on claim scholarship, and it is loading now. And as soon as you click on claim scholarship you will see this message: congrats, you have gained access to become a front-end web developer track. So guys, now you have access to all these courses. Now one thing to notice here, that this access will expire on 30 October 2020. It means that the courses are available to you for around 6 months. So in 6 months you can easily complete all these courses guys. Now let's just click on start learning, and as you can see that my learning has been started. From here I can track what I have learned and what I have not completed yet. So this is all about this video guys. If you like this video then please hit the like button, and if you are new here then please subscribe, because very soon I am gonna start the data science and machine learning video tutorial in which I will teach you from the very basic Python to advanced machine learning algorithms like classification algorithm and regression algorithm, and also we will work on the real world live projects in my live sessions. So please subscribe the channel, and if you have any query then just comment it down. I will try to answer all of your queries. Till then, enjoy Python.